Hi everyone, welcome back. My nephew has chosen to cut his locks. Now, when I started his locks, I told him from day one if he ever gets to a point where he does not want locks anymore, do not feel pressured to keep them. Do not feel like he has to have locks. He is an individual. If he doesn't feel like having them, he doesn't have to have them. If he feels like having them, he can have them. So he felt like he had his run with locks. He liked them for the time being, but he got to a point where he got tired of having them. And his mother could not find anybody to keep them up for him because at the time he didn't live close to me. So, yeah, today I'll be cutting his locks off. I made sure I asked him several times, do you really want to cut them off? He says yes. So, we are going to cut them off.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Yeah, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down. Stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Low. I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright.
What I'm doing there is I'm just touching and feeling to see where his locks are not really locked at, because he wanted enough hair to get a certain haircut. He wanted enough hair left over to get a certain haircut, so I'm just feeling to see where his locks are not yet mature and can easily be combed out.
Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Let go. When I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, go low. Man I tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh, hot on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh, and a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a damn thing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl. One time, he's butty, baby. VQs,
Mix it.
yeah, no, leg up.
See when I ride a bumbo.
It's VQs.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. He's butty, baby. Leg up. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, go low. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show.
And here I'm just washing them out and using conditioner to detangle and comb them out of his hair. It was really easy to do. I just split them apart manually and then went through with a comb to make sure I wasn't ripping his hair but combing it out. But I went through and pulled first just to see what was loose already. That way I didn't have to do that much work.
And a bad man run the show now.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me I don't see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road.
And voila, done with the wash. And now he's gonna go get a cut to hopefully get it evened out. He has pretty coarse hair, so there's a lot of shrinkage going on, but that right there is about where I cut it and combed it out.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me I don't see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency.
Original.
And here he is with his haircut. The barber did not even it out, as you can see at the top, but that's okay. He got his haircut. He loved it. He looked handsome. He was happy. That's all that matters. So yeah, that's it for my nephew's short journey. His 1 year journey. He had locks for 1 year. He did not like them anymore. So boom, they're gone. Thank you guys for you who watched his journey. Those of you who commented and said nice things about him. He knows I've shown him the comments and all that. He loves all that. But yeah, his journey is over. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.